Okay guys, now we need to work out who is the most important superhero. Now honestly, I'm better than all you assholes, so I think I'm the best superhero. No way man, you're a puny little fuck! Guys, everybody just calm down. You won't like it when I get angry. I smash things, remember? Hulk sad. Fuck off Hulk, you fat Jew. Hulk angry now, motherfuckers.